us from Difu Government College. I love dancing, knitting, and modeling. And my aim in life is to become a successful, independent woman. And I believe that don't be the failure of your life. Be the winner and achieve your goal. And being a short girl does not need to stop my passion. So this is why I'm here tonight in front of you all. Thank you. Pardon Taranangso, respected juries and lovely audience. My name is Franklin Tarampi and I am from a beautiful place, Hanjang Langso. Currently pursuing my HS first year from Branham Jubilee Senior Secondary School. Talking about my interest, I am a sport person. I am very energetic whenever I'm on a track. Thank you. Pardon. Good evening, respected judges, and to all the lovely people present here. I am a 26 years old lady from Hamred, West Karbi Anglong. My name is Serling Propi, and my qualification is MA third semester. I aim to become a teacher, and my hobbies are singing, listening to music. Last but not the least, don't be afraid to fail, but be afraid not to try. So thank you. Pardon and good evening to one and all present here, respected judges. I'm your contestant number 7. My name is Rupamani Tarampi and I'm from a beautiful place called Bolongamaji. Currently, I'm pursuing my Bachelor of Arts in Difu Government College. I'm an ambivert person who loves to sing, listening music and wandering. My aim in life is to become a professor. Well, I believe that never let it race until your good is better. Better is better. Become your best. Thank you.
Pardon Taranangso. Good evening, respected judges, and to all present over here. My name is Alicia Tisopi. I am your contestant number 3. I am 20 years of age, currently pursuing my FIUG 4th semester at Rangsna College, Dongkamugang. And I am from a very beautiful place called Kolonga Karbirong Supi, West Karbi Anglong. Pardon Taranangso. A very good evening to respected judges and audience present over here. Tonight, it's a prestigious moment for me to represent myself here in front of you all. Wishing you everyone a very happy Golden Jubilee of our India's oldest festival, that is our Karbi Youth Festival. Being on the stage of Miss KYF2024, I believe that I have found my mission. My mission is to show the world that magics happen when we refuse to give up. So I'm here tonight to represent myself confidently in front of you all. I am contestant number 8, Christina Itipi from West Karbi Anglong, Hilampi. I am student by profession and currently pursuing my education at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Thirty. My hobbies are listening to music, reading, and cooking. And my hobbies are traveling, cooking, listening music, and I'm currently pursuing my higher secondary from Don Bosco Higher Secondary School, Difu. And I'm from a privileged and a pretty and a delightful town and a headquarters of Karbi Anglong, Difu. From Manja, your contestant number 5. As a person, I'm very fun-loving and I love to take out am small town Dongbuka. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, listening to music, and I love singing too. And my aim in life is to become self-independent woman. And mission of Karbi Youth Festival. Thank you. To be a 20 years old, currently pursuing my Bachelor of Arts at Difu Girls College, hailing from the beautiful place called Chukihula, the Nili constituency. Today I stand before you with a grace and heart filled with a gratitude, ready to embark on this journey as a finalist contestant of Miss KYF 2024. Last but not least, enjoy the editing. Thank you.
My name is Bilan Rampipi and I am your contestant number 22. I am from Hanjang Langsung and I am a teacher by profession and a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. My hobbies include dancing, listening to music and finding solace in painting. Helen Keller once said, "The world's most beautiful things cannot be seen or touched. It can only be felt with your heart." So here I am, seeking an experience of a lifetime because I believe we only live once, so why not live the way you always wanted? Thank you.
And I belong from here itself, Tarlangso Difu Garbianglong. I'm 18 years of age and now I'm currently pursuing my education at Don Bosco Higher Secondary School at 12th standard in the fields of arts. Talking about my interest lies in cooking, dancing.
And I'm from a beautiful place called Hamrian, West Kerbianglong. Currently, I'm a working person as an assistant manager in a lodging hotel. I'm honored here to present my culture and tradition in front of you all. Lastly, I want to say that self-belief and love yourself is more important in your life. Thank you.